Now, we will show you how your child can become a super genius. This is no magic, no voodoo, no trick. This is pure science and a lot of practice. Now, we test Dhruv. I have this book in my hand. I will give it to Dhruv and then we will see if Dhruv can read this book blindfolded or not. There, I have the book on the table. Can you read it now for me?
ये वाला पोर्शन या फिर ये?
Anywhere you want to read from.
Miraculous power of subconscious mind, ultimate health, wealth and enlightenment.
Hello, this is News 24 and I'm Preeti Raghunandan. Today, we have a genius with us. We'll introduce her. She will blindfold herself and yet she can see everything in front of her. Now, Jia, you'll have to blindfold yourself. Okay? I have some playing cards with me here, viewers. As you can see, I have these plain normal cards with me. Okay, there are many numbers and pictures in these cards. Now, I'll take out one card from here. Jia, you will have to identify the letter on the card. Okay? Yeah, correct. These are plain cards, no embossing here that one can feel or guess. So, yeah, it is very normal. Yeah, hope everyone can see the plain card, right? Okay, this is absolutely clean. Yeah? So, Jia has to identify what is there on the card, the letter or the picture. So, Jia, here you go.
Helicopter.
Correct.
आपकी आवाज.
Welcome back to you all. Imagine something that the eyes can see, ears can hear, but the brain refuses to believe. This is called miracle. In the studio today, we will show you something like that.
Which number it is?
4.
4 and which color?
3.
Very good. Excellent. And now it is your turn and tell me which color?
Yellow.
Yes.
5.
Very good. Excellent. And now Emmanuel, your turn. Which color?
Red. Red 2.
Oh, red too. Very good. And Agnay, can you tell which color?
Blue 3.
Very good. Excellent. Do another sort of a flashcards. Garima, this is for you. Alika, this is for you. Emmanuel, this is for you. And this one is for you, Agnay. Now, Garima, tell me what it is.
Boy.
A boy. Garima says this is a boy. Very good, Garima. And Alika, can you tell me?
Bus.
It is a bus. It's a yellow color bus. Very nice. And can you tell me what it is?
A red clock.
A red clock. Very good. And now it is the turn of Agnay. Agnay?
Apple, ma'am.
Very good. This is a red apple. Very, very good. And now I move forward and for the day, probably the last exercise. Can you take this and try reading it and see if it is true for you?
Eduscan.
Okay. All right. Can you read Agnay?
Ma'am, cybernetics.
Okay.
UPM. University. Columbium.
Good. Yes. Let us focus on the card and see that he says this is cybernetics, UPM, and University Kuala Lumpur.
How did you do this?
When I'm touching the numbers, I can feel here.
What do you feel?
Means what the number is there and how can I do it?
Dhwani from Badarpur can even read car number plates.
इसका नंबर 3839 है.
With their eyes covered, these kids can skate in a zigzag perfectly. Can you believe that the human brain's power can be increased to this level? You are blindfolded and you can still do all that others do with their eyes open.
Hi, I'm Dr. Alka Kalra, an educational psychologist practicing in UAE for past 20 years, licensed by Community Development Authority of UAE. Let me tell you friends, that this is no magic, but it is the power of brain activation. As we all know that we use less than 10% of human brain ability. By this training, children can achieve unimaginable results. Thank you.